Peter and Shino, I wanted to show you this house. It's 2801 Tramway Circle. It's in a really cute little subdivision in Sandia Heights. The mountain is there, and it's adjacent to this nice little vacant piece of land. We're actually west of Tramway. Tramway is there. And this house is 1,640 square feet, I think. And it's really cleverly laid out. Very bright, very charming. That house is pending right now, and it's pending at $289. I won't know what it closes for a couple of weeks, but it's interesting that this one's listed at $360 when that one's was listed at $289. But this market, there's kind of no arguing with the prices right now. These people really love their Coca-Cola memorabilia. So we have these really tall ceilings with wood beams exposed. Really nice view of the Sandia from here. Very open, very bright. This is the dining area, and a very big open kitchen. I don't like whatever this weird backsplash is. It's very like 60s nostalgia, I guess. Or no, 50s nostalgia. They have a lot of Coca-Cola stuff. There's red Coca-Cola stuff everywhere. Okay, so you can walk out to the back deck that way. But here from front door, so to the right is the living, and then there's the kitchen and the dining, and then whatever that area is. I'm actually not sure what you would refer to that as. But it's nice that the garage and the front entrance is attached, so you have like an actual Genkan. You don't have to carry your shoes across the house. Skylights in the garage. Decent sized garage. And then here's the coat closet, which is normal. Here's the utilities. Water heater. Smaller tank, looks like a 40-gallon. And then the furnace. Here's what I guess is the laundry. It's pretty deep. And then here's something I haven't really seen very much of, or ever. So here's the main floor bathroom, which is normal. But the guest rooms are attached on both sides to the main floor bathroom, like so. So, regardless of which way you go through, and they're good sized rooms, it Jack and Jill's to the main floor bath. We have a bath here, main floor bath, and it's a Jack and Jill bathroom, which is really pretty uncommon and really nice. And both of these are good sized rooms. This one especially is really bright. You can see the road, but this is a small road. And this one would also be a great office because it has this sliding door. This one is not as bright, but it does have this window here. And they have this really nice custom deck that they've designed. Surprisingly, this is a really nice little walk-in closet. And then here's the master. It's not super big, but it's nice. And then it also has a slider to the backyard on the other side. Double sinks. A barn door would close this off. And then we have decent size walk-in master. And the shower toilet combo with a little window. And so this goes out to the backyard. It's a nice deck. It's not very big, but it's nice. It's serene, well shaded, and a cute little yard space. The cleanouts are here. You don't typically see the cleanouts in the backyard. This is all concreted. They stained it. And then they built this deck, which is a great little deck. It's a big deck, actually. Pretty nice view. And this is AstroTurf. Mountains there. And then it's fenced with patio lights, cafe lights. Really cute yard, low maintenance. This is a nice house, even though it's priced $70,000 more than that one. It'll probably sell today. And then you can walk around to the front. It does have new windows. That one does not. And this is a really nice area as well to have dinner with a really good Sandia view. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. And a big picture window. Holy moly, this is huge for such a little house. And that's it. This is a really nice little quiet subdivision.